back to USA Dream Vehicles. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, the ultimate expression of luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. If you thought Cadillac had already perfected the Escalade, think again. The 2025 model takes everything to a whole new level, and we're here to break it all down. From its bold exterior design to its ultra-luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and powerful performance, this is one SUV you need to know about. Let's get into it. Exterior design, a statement of dominance. The 2025 Escalade has been completely reimagined to stand out even more. Cadillac has refined its signature massive front grille, now sporting a sleeker and more aggressive design. The vertical LED headlights are sharper than ever, while the rear taillights feature a futuristic, blade-like aesthetic. Expect 22-inch alloy wheels, a more sculpted body, and a presence that commands attention everywhere it goes. Whether it's parked or in motion, this SUV radiates power and prestige. Interior design, where luxury meets innovation. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin fit for royalty. Cadillac has taken luxury to a new level with hand-stitched leather upholstery, real wood accents, and ambient lighting that creates a first-class experience. The highlight? A massive curved OLED display that spans the dashboard, giving you access to augmented reality navigation, a premium sound system, and an AI-powered assistant. The seats are now even more plush, featuring massaging functions, ventilated cooling, and heated options for ultimate comfort. Second and third row passengers, they get their own entertainment screens and first-class seating experience. Safety. Next-level protection. Cadillac isn't just about luxury, safety is a priority. The 2025 Escalade is packed with the latest Super Cruise hands-free driving, allowing for semi-autonomous highway cruising. Features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and night vision ensure that you and your passengers are protected at all times. New for 2025 is the 360-degree AI-driven collision avoidance system, which predicts and prevents potential accidents before they happen. Performance. Power meets efficiency under the hood. The 2025 Escalade comes with multiple powertrain options to suit every driver's needs. The 6.2L V8 engine returns with even more horsepower, delivering an estimated 450 plus HP for that exhilarating ride. But that's not all. Cadillac is offering an all-new hybrid variant, promising a balance between power and efficiency. And for easier, those who want pure electric power, rumors suggest that Cadillac might introduce an Escalade EV with over 500 miles of range. No matter which version you choose, expect a 10-speed automatic transmission, improved suspension, and an AWD system that ensures smooth handling on any terrain. Overall, the ultimate luxury SUV. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade isn't just a luxury SUV, it's an experience. With its bold design, cutting-edge technology, world-class safety, and powerful performance, this is the Escalade at its finest. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the Escalade world, this model is built to impress. So what do you think of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade? Is it the best luxury SUV of the year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. USA Dream Vehicles, bringing your dream rides to life. This script is designed to engage viewers and maximize watch time while maintaining a clickbait, yet informative approach. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks.